Why choose us at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy? You may have a lot of questions. I have a lot of answers for you. What makes us different than the others? Number one, our goal here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy is to help you in your new career or in your current career level up. Our goal is to help you succeed. Our goal is not to get you through our classes and to get you out. Our goal is to help you every step of the way. Once you are a part of the Pinnacle family, you remain a part of the Pinnacle family, and we are always here to help you. Now, our instructors are highly trained real estate educators. We are very involved with the Real Estate Educators Association on the national level. We're very involved in the Real Estate Commission and the Realtors Association, and that way it keeps us up to date with the latest changes in legislation and regulations and the articles of ethics, code of ethics that we have to follow, and the testing that you are going to be tested on. Because we are very involved in all of these industries, we pass all of that information along to you, our students, who are now a new member of our family. Now, all of our instructors here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy hold the designation of the Gold Standard Instructor. To put this into perspective, there are 189 Gold Standard instructors in the United States. We here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy, we have 7 of those Gold Standard instructors. Several of our instructors also hold a CDEI, which is a designation called Certified Distance Educated Instructor. It is a very strenuous course to get this designation called the CDEI. And we here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy, we have furthered our education to help you in your education and your success in your career. Now, all of our courses are taught by instructors who still actively practice real estate. Here's the thing, you don't want to take a class from an instructor who hasn't sold real estate in the last 30 years or who only sells 1 or 2 every 3 to 5 years. You want someone who is fully involved in the real estate market, because how else are they going to teach you real life and how to keep you out of what I call an orange jumpsuit, or help you level up in your career if they aren't doing it themselves? So every instructor here at Pinnacle is actively practicing real estate. Therefore, we teach with real life stories to help you connect the legal jargon to the actual real life practice. We also teach with games. We help with hands-on activities. For example, when we're teaching you how to measure a home, we actually teach you how to measure a home. You walk around and you measure the physical building that you are in with a team, and you calculate up the square footage. You draw out the floor plans. This is not sitting in a classroom setting and go, all right, let me read you this book, monotone. We don't read from a book. We give you real life stories, real life examples, and we throw in games to help all of that information stick. Here at Pinnacle, we are different than the others because we are always here for you. We raise the standard of real estate education, which is our mission and our motto. We are always available to help you. My cell phone is on all of my business cards, and so is every other instructor here at the school. Lastly, we are female-owned and operated. So if you'd like to shop local and you like that it's female-owned and operated, give us a call today. We'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have about getting a real estate license, a property manager's license, a broker in charge license, or maybe you just want to level up your business and your career. If you have any questions, comment below. Reach out to us anytime.